The announcement of a new factory being built near a community can have both advantages and disadvantages. On one hand, the new factory could bring a boost to the local economy through the creation of new jobs and an increase in the demand for local goods and services. Additionally, the presence of the factory could lead to the development of infrastructure such as roads and transportation systems, as well as provide additional tax revenue for the community. However, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. The factory may contribute to pollution and environmental degradation, which can negatively impact the health and quality of life for residents. The increased traffic and noise levels could also lead to a decline in property values and quality of life for those living near the factory. Additionally, the influx of workers may put pressure on local resources such as housing, healthcare, and educational facilities, leading to overcrowding and rising costs for residents. In light of these factors, I would have to take a nuanced stance on the new factory. While I do see the potential benefits that it could bring to the community, I also have concerns about the negative impact it may have on the environment and quality of life for residents. Ultimately, I would support the construction of the factory if the company is committed to minimizing the negative impact it may have on the community. This could include investing in clean energy technologies, implementing strict environmental regulations and monitoring, and engaging in open communication with the local community to address concerns and minimize the impact of the factory on the quality of life for residents. In conclusion, the proposed factory near the community could have both advantages and disadvantages, and it is important to weigh both sides carefully. However, with the right measures in place, it could bring about positive change for the community, and I would support its construction if the company takes the necessary steps to minimize its negative impact.